Kansa was very powerful, and everybody has a time. And the time was coming when Kansa would have to end his sojourn upon earth. But that could only happen with the manifestation of the Lord, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So the devotees in distress, they're in distress. So we try in our own way to reenact such a situation. As in today's world, we are also in distress. Dharma is declining. Adharma is rising. Look around and you will see. We need the presence of the divinity, that Supreme Purush. So the sages, the holy ones, they conscientiously made an appeal to that divine. They want him to manifest himself. They appeal to him. Bhajale Govind, Bhajale Govind, Bhajale Govindam. ये दुनिया है प्रभु की माया, भजले गोविंदम. प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ. भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंदम. ये दुनिया है प्रभु की माया, भजले गोविंदम. चाहे ओरा मेरा भयो दासी, अखिया हरि दर्शन की प्यासी. आकी प्यास मिटाओ जी आओ प्रभु आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ. प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ. हे भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंदम. ये दुनिया है प्रभु की माया, भजले गोविंदम. प्रेम तेरा प्रभु कोई न जाने, प्रभु तुझे प्रभु कोई न जाने. प्रभु तुझे प्रभु कोई न जाने. आके मुरलिया बजाओ जी आओ प्रभु आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ. प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ, प्रभु जी मेरे आओ. भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंद, भजले गोविंदम. ये दुनिया है प्रभु की माया, भजले गोविंदम. ये भजले गोविंदम, ओ भजले गोविंदम. Devotees, it was the 8th day in the month of Bhadra, in the dark night, which would correspond to a day like today, more than 5,000 of years ago. On that dark night, the Lord was preparing to manifest himself. The sages were getting a good vibration. The devotees, there was a singing in their hearts, so to speak. Something good was about to happen. That Lord was going to come to relieve their distresses. With great religious fervor, intensity of effort, they glorify that master, identifying with him. We do likewise. Ek Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Ek Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. 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 Hey, Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Hey, Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. 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 Hey, Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Hey, Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Shri Krishna Govinda, Shri Krishna Govinda, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari. 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 Hey, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari. Hey, Nath Narayan Vasudeva. 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 Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Hari. Hey, Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Hey, Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Hey, Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Govinda bolo, Hari Gopal bolo. Hey, Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Radha Raman Hari Govinda bolo. Devotees, Vasudeva and Devaki, they were imprisoned. When Vasudeva and Devaki got married, Kans was very happy. But Akashvani, the celestial voice, said, "Oh Kans, the eighth child of this Devaki will destroy you." And so, self-preservation, as Kans thought, he imprisoned his cousin and her husband. At this point, Kans had killed 6 sons of Vasudeva and Devaki. The 7th was said to be stillborn, but we all are familiar with the story. Now that 7th pregnancy was transferred to the womb of Rohini, who gave birth to Balaram. The 8th pregnancy, this was the one Kans was very fearful about. he imprisoned Mata Devaki and Vasudeva. Some of us have been very fortunate to be to that spot in India, Mathura, where we went into that very same spot where it is said, it won't be identical, but the spot itself is the same, where Mata Devaki and Vasudeva chained. Kans was so scared. And they said, everywhere the sages were praying, there was a different glow about Mata Devaki. And it was on this particular night, the Ashtami Tithi, the 8th day, midnight time, it is said, nobody could give birth to God biologically. By a Pragat Kripala, that Lord appeared in the prison to Vasudeva and Devaki. How he appeared? Sanchakra Gadaparam, the four-armed form of Lord Vishnu. Brilliance in that prison cell. Vishnu Narayan. Vasudeva overjoyed, ecstatic, getting that darshan of Bhagwan Vishnu. Not the other baby, not the other Krishna, that beautiful form, Sanchak Gadaparam, as we have on the altar here. Vasudeva, body quivering, tears in his eyes, Gargar Kant, he praised Vishnu Bhagwan.
Narayan Vandana, Narayan Vandana, Nidhipati Narayan, Pratinidhi Narayan, 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 आए नित नवनिधि नर के घर, आए नित नवनिधि नर के घर, नारायण का नित्य निरंतर कर मन अभिनंदन, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण। नारायण बिन नर अज्ञानी, नारायण बिन नर अज्ञानी, नारायण नर के वरदानी, नारायण नर के वरदानी, एक मनोरथ रथ में बैठे, एक मनोरथ रथ में बैठे, नित्य जनार्दन जन, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण, श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण। नर के नित्य सखा नारायण, नर के निधि सखा नारायण, नर के कारण गीता गायन, नर के कारण गीता गायन। हम भगतन के भगत हमारे, हम भगतन के भगत हमारे, नारायण का प्रण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण भजमन नारायण, नारायण नारायण भजमन नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण भजमन नारायण, नारायण नारायण भजमन नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण, नारायण नारायण।
Vasudeva Ji devotees, he prayed, pouring his heart out to that Supreme Purush, Satyanarayan, who, because of his compassion for his devotees, manifested himself. Devaki was ecstatic, overjoyed. The Devatas in celestial forms, as we all know them to be, surrounded that place, and in their own joy, in their own ecstasy, their own feelings of gratitude, they praise that Supreme Purush. Keshava Madhava Jai Deva Madhusudana Netra Kamal Dala Achiva Manohara Keshava Madhava Jai Deva Madhusudana
Keshava Madhava Jai Deva Madhusudana,
Keshava Madhava Jai Deva Madhusudana,
Keshava Madhava Jai Deva Madhusudana,
Netra Kamal Dala Achiva Manohara,
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 Antarayami Prabhu Parameshwar,
Antaryami Prabhu Parameshwar,
Antarayami Prabhu Parameshwar,
Antaryami Prabhu Parameshwar,
Maya Manush Vesh Liladhar,
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 Deva Madhusudana,
Jai Deva Madhusudana,
Jai Jai Deva Madhusudana, कमल दल अतीव मनोहर. Devotees, Bhagwan was praised, gratitude was expressed. And Bhagwan, he informed Vasudeva and Devaki as to his vision of his manifestation. They performed tapasya in previous lives. And because of that tapasya, they asked to have a son like him. And he came as their son, 3 times at least. And of course, to justify their sacrifices and to champion the cause of his devotees. Bhagwan then transformed himself into a beautiful baby boy. The Katha, we have been hearing this over and over again. Dark in color, curly locks, large, chanchal looking eyes, chubby cheeks, red lips, a beautiful baby. Meghavarna, Ghanasham, dark as a rain cloud, not black. Dark as a rain cloud, Ghanasham. Devotees. And as the Katha goes, Bhagwan instructed Vasudeva to take him across the Ganga to the home of Nand Baba Mata Yashoda in the village of Gokula. And there to leave him. There's a girl, Yashoda gave birth to a baby girl. Bring back that girl to the palace. And the incidents, I keep saying we're all familiar with these incidents, so I'm not going to elaborate too much on them. Bhagwan Krishna was taken across and placed in the home of Nand Baba Mata Yashoda. Mata Yashoda had given birth to a baby girl, but she didn't know. Maya, the Lord's elusive potency. And this same Maya was in the form of a baby girl. She was brought back. And this part I want to tell you because today is Ashtami. Ashtami is a day in which Devi is worshipped. So Devi also appeared on this day, Ashtami. Wonderful day to worship Devi Ma. Even though we say Janam Ashtami, worship Krishna, we mustn't forget Devi. Devi Ma, she was brought back as this baby girl to the palace, to the prison, and the baby began to cry, and big commotion now. Everybody, the 8th child is born, the 8th child is born. And Kans was informed. Kans had a very fitful sleep, if you want to call it so. Anytime he dropped asleep, he dreamed somebody killing him. Because his own conscience beat, attacking him. How wicked he was. The 8th child. And so when he heard the 8th child, he took up his sword and he rushed like a madman. Where is that 8th child? I'll kill that child. When he reached to the prison, Devaki held on to the baby girl and she bent before Kans, stooped down before him. Oh brother, oh king, this 8th child is a girl. You have killed 6 of my sons already. 7th was born, stillborn. 8th one, just leave this one for me, please. Is a girl, what can a girl do to you? She begged. And Kans began to laugh. Ha ha ha, Akash Vani Talalai. What could a girl do to me? But then Narad Muni came. And Narad Muni, when a person is, scared and he has certain weaknesses, it is easy to confuffle his brain, Easy to confuse him. Narad said, Kans, what are you doing? Send back the child? Leaving the child? Listen. And he drew 8 lines to the head and asked Kans to check from left to right. How much you get? 8. Right to left, how much you get? 8. I don't know if you make him check from inside out too. But anyhow he checked, Kans got 8. So then Narad Muni said, Kans, Akash Vani said the 8th child. Which is the 8th child? Why? 8 from the first, 8 from the last, 8 from the middle. Which is the 8th child? Well, as I said, it didn't take much to confuse Kans. Kans became very confused, scared, and he said, give me that baby. And he took away that baby from Devaki. In spite of all her pleadings, her crying out, Kans hard-hearted. And he picked up that baby by the leg and wanted to dash it like he did the previous 6 that he killed, dashing it against the wall. But this time, last 6 were boys, this was a girl. You can't dash a girl so easy. It's Shakti. When he tried to dash that child, the child slipped out of his hand and transformed into Mahashakti. Kick him on his head. But he's lucky to get a kick from Devi in here. But still, all the rubbish didn't get out of his head. She kicked him, and after Mahakali, dark in color, hair loose, flying, tongue hanging out, and laughing, a mocking kind of laughter. And she said, "Oh, you fool, the one to destroy you is safe. Your end is near." And that mocking laughter receded, and Mahashakti disappeared. Now Kans realized he's in trouble. He fell down in his sister's feet now and started to beg forgiveness. But when you kill all each one, you go beg forgiveness now? He let them go. But we have to leave all that right there and we go to Gokulapuri, where Yashoda Maya lifted off. Yashoda Maya came back to normal conditioning, and she realized she had given birth to a baby. But you know, she realized it was a baby boy. You know how? So she realized it was a baby boy, and then she was overjoyed. And when she looked at that baby, you know, I always say, when a mother looks, I mean, imagine a mother's position. For 9 months or thereabouts, you're waiting to see what you're producing, what you're making. And when, after 9 months, you see something looking like me, it's a real shock, eh? But when you see like Krishna Bhagavan, how he appeared, that child from small charmed everybody. Everybody was charmed. Word spread. Yashoda, and Yashoda wasn't very young, eh? She wasn't very young, quite advanced in age. And she gave birth, but not physical birth. Not physical birth at all. All the appearances of birth was there, but it wasn't biological. Devi Ma appeared. Who gave birth to Devi? Who gave birth to Sri Ram, Sri Krishna? As we said, the Lord manifest. And it said, joy, ecstasy. The word spread. And devotees, you could imagine that joy. Pandit Umesh started off a beautiful bhajan, that how Bhagwan came to the home of Nand Baba Mati Yashoda, and how they walked the Palna and so on. Wonderful. Wonderful. There was celebration, rejoicing in that village of Braj. Bhagwan chose to grow up amongst ordinary, simple people. No Mahagyani. Simple cowherds and cowherdesses. Yeah. But you see, that didn't happen just so. They had great karmas from past life. Everything is karma. Everything is karma. So bear that in mind. So devotees, Bhagwan Krishna, he appeared. And what I would like you to do is just concentrate upon him as Bal Krishna. Baby, we'll glorify that, then Pandit Umesh will follow with another bhajan. Glorifying, we'll focus a little bit on Bal Charitra. Okay? So devotees, just visualize. And you know, I don't know how others may think, but for me, Bal Krishna is very, very attractive. If I am told to concentrate on Bhagavan Sri Krishna, I don't know why I can't concentrate on the adult Krishna. Even though we have nice murtis and so on, but there is something magnetic, manohar, about Bal Krishna. That's for me. But if you want to visualize big Krishna, there's no problem, but I concentrate on Bal Krishna. Because we're talking about Bal Krishna, the child Krishna.
बाल मुकुंदा कृष्ण गोविंदा यशोमती के लाल की ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सरोम मधुसूदन की आरती।
जय बाल मुकुंदा कृष्ण गोविंदा यशोमती के लाल की ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सरोम मधुसूदन की
जय बाल मुकुंदा। ये जग में ज्योति अंतकरण की प्रकाश कराने वाला,
ये प्रकाश कराने वाला,
परमार्थ बताने वाला,
परमार्थ बताने वाला।
ये श्याम सुंदर की वर गिरधर की चहु ओर उजियार, ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सरोम मधुसूदन की आरती। जय बाल मुकुंदा।
अमृतवाणी वेद बखानी संत रिझाने वाला,
रिझाने वाला,
भव पार करने वाला,
पार कराने वाला।
ब्रह्म ज्ञान यही स्वर्ग धाम यही, कुंजन मोहन छवि धाम की, ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सलोम मधुसूदन की आरती। जय बाल मुकुंदा। ये संपत्ति दाता अघ को मिटाता, पीर मिटाने वाला,
पीर मिटाने वाला,
धन ध्यान बधाने वाला,
धन ध्यान बधाने वाला।
कवि कृष्ण हृदय में, कवि कृष्ण हृदय में दीप जले, अनहद घंटा ध्वनि बाजे। ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सलोम मधुसूदन की आरती। जय बाल मुकुंदा कृष्ण गोविंदा, यशोमती के लाल की। ये मुरली मनोहर मधुर सलोम मधुसूदन की आरती। जय बाल मुकुंदा, जय बाल मुकुंदा, जय बाल मुकुंदा। Devotees, that Lord took a most wonderful form. All who saw him could be sages, could be demons, devotees, everyone was charmed, spellbound. We have to depend upon various artists' presentation. But how beautiful it will be if we appeal to our Lord to get His darshan. Let Him show us how He appeared. You think that's possible? If you sincerely appeal, you can get that darshan. Appeal. प्यारे नंदलाल, दर्शन दे दो हे यशोदा की बाल। अखिया हर दर्शन की प्यासी प्रभु जी, दर्शन दे दो ना। प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो।
यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल, यशोदा के लाल, यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो।
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो।
नटवर लाल दर्शन दे दो,
नटवर लाल दर्शन दे दो,
नटवर लाल दर्शन दे दो,
नटवर लाल दर्शन दे दो।
हाँ दर्शन दे दो,
दर्शन दे दो,
हो दर्शन दे दो,
दर्शन दे दो।
नटवर लाल, नटवर लाल, नटवर लाल दर्शन दे दो,
नटवर लाल दर्शन दे
हे
दो।
गिरिधर बाल दर्शन दे दो,
गिरिधर बाल दर्शन,
हाँ गिरिधर बाल दर्शन दे दो,
गिरिधर बाल दर्शन दे दो।
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंदलाल दर्शन
बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल, यशोदा के लाल, यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
यशोदा के बाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंद लाल दर्शन दे दो,
प्यारे नंद लाल दर्शन दे दो,
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 दर्शन दे दो।
Devotees, hold out the image of Bhagavan Sri Krishna in the mind's eye. If you have gotten it, hold it firmly, and we will join Punitumish as he glorify Bhagavan Sri Krishna, trying to recreate the ecstasy that was experienced in that village of Vraj.
करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तं, करारविन्देन पदारविन्दं मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तम्, वतस्य पदस्य